Hello students, today we are going to see third lesson algebra one words. On beginning of first question, we see three planes, how they are intersecting. So first picture, three planes are meeting at only one point. This is consistent, only one solution we have. Second picture, three planes are meeting lot of points. This is also consistent, it have many solution, that is infinite number of solution. It is intersecting. And third picture, there is no common meeting of three planes, so do not intersect. A system of three linear equation is inconsistent, so what is our answer? Do not intersect. Second question, what is the solution of x plus y minus 3z equal to minus 6 minus 7y plus 7z equal to 7, 3z equal to 9? Obviously we here z value you put 3. So you put 3 here 21. So if you putting 21 reduce 14, you will get 7 answer. So y value is 2. So you putting z value and y value to first equation. What is the apt answer here? This is minus 9. This is plus 2. So if you reducing again 1, you will get minus 6. So your correct apt answer is 1, 2, 3. Third question, x minus 6 is the common factor of these two equations. So x minus 6 minus 24 here, x minus 6 is a common factor of these two equations. The multiplying answer is 6. So 1 6 is 6. Here you addition, this is the addition value middle one, so if you add this you will get minus 5. So you comparing this, k value is 5. And this is division by fraction, so inverse multiplication we do it. 3 common, here 7 common, so you take off and you cancelling y minus 1 here, 1y you cancelling here, you will get 9y by 7 is your answer. So we move to fifth one. Y square plus 1 by y squared is not equal to. So if you cross multiple, you will get y power 4 plus 1 by y square. First answer is right. This is equal. And you will write this is as a formula. If you minus formula, you adding to, plus formula, you reducing to, this is equal. So what is not equal? Y plus 1 by y, the whole squared is not equal. Sixth one, we move x, this is minus, you taking LCM. So first one, denominator x square minus 25, what is your factor here? X plus 5, x minus 5. This factor is x plus 5, x plus 1. So you write the common factor as a denominator and you equating the numerator, you will get x into x plus 1. Here minus 8 into x minus 5. So after multiplying you will get this. So you adding this x squared minus 7x plus 40 divided by x squared minus 25 into x plus 1 is your answer. So seventh one, the square root of 256. What is the square number 256? So 16 is your square. 16 square, x power 8, you will write power rule, using power rule you will write this, and y power 4 you will write this, z power 10 you will write this. So here 25, 5 is the square number. So x power 6, y power 6, z power 6, you writing this, taking square root, you will get 16 by 5 here. Here is the answer. So after cancelling you reducing 3 powers, here 1x you will get, z power 2 you will get, in denominator 1, y only you will get. So next question. So what is your answer? 16 by 5 x z square divided by y. Eighth one, we move to which of the following should be added to make a perfect square? This is first number square, x squared the whole square. This is last number, so 8 is the square of 64. So 8 squared. The middle term you will substituting the first term 2ab. So first term x squared you substitute here, b value 8. What is the middle term? So middle term is 16x squared. So your answer, if you get a perfect square, you add 16x squared. Your answer is 16x squared. The solution of 2x minus 1 the whole square equal to 9. So we solve the quadratic equation minus 9 here. You expand this 4x square minus 4x plus 1. So you will get this dividing by 4 x square minus x minus 2. So factorizing this minus 2 plus 1. So x minus 2 is one factor and x plus 1 is one factor. So equating to 0, x value 2 and minus 1. So what is your correct answer? 2 and minus 1. So this is your answer you here. 2 and minus 1 is your answer. So 10th one, find the value of a, b. Find the square root of value. So 4x squared minus 24x cubed, 76 a and b. 4, what is the root of 4? 2, and you will write here 2 2s are 4. 4 table how many times? 6 times. So 6 6 are 36. You have 40 here. So 10 is another number. So 10 10s are 100. B answer is 100. Minus 120. So A equal to minus 120 and B equal to 100. So we move to 11th question. If the roots of this equation, square of the root of this equation, then what are they? Q, P, R. How is they? So first sum of the root, we find out the first quadratic equation, minus b by a, so minus p square by q square. Product of the root, c by a, r square by q square. Here the quadratic equation, sum of the root minus b by a, product of the root r by q. So obviously we see this square, you get this answer, this square you get this answer. So this is geometric progression. So this is GP. That answer is GP. We move to 12th one, graph of linear equation. Obviously we known this is straight line. So your answer is straight line. 13th question, number of point of intersection of x squared plus 4x plus 4 with x-axis. Here the graph. So with the x-axis, how many intersecting point you see? So only one point. So this answer is 1. We move to 14th question. This A given matrix, you find out the order of the matrix A transpose. So this order 3 by 4. So what is your A transpose answer? 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 is your answer. So 15th question, if A matrix order 2 by 3, B matrix order 3 by 4, what is the AB order of column? So AB. So AB, what you have 2 by 4, what is the column? Answer is 4. So 4 is your answer. The last value is your answer. The last value 4. 4 is your answer. So 16th question, number of columns and rows are not equal. So if it is equal, that is square matrix. If not equal, that is rectangular matrix. So 17th, transpose of column matrix. So you well known, that is row matrix. If this opposite is row, so that opposite you write, that is row matrix. Question, find the x matrix. So you reducing this to 5 minus 1 4, 7 minus 3 4, 9 minus 5 4, but 5 minus 7 minus 2. So you divided by 2, you will get the x value. So 2 2 2, here minus 1 is your answer. 2 2 2 minus 1 is your correct answer. We go to 19th, which of the following can be calculated? So here a square we can't do it because here 2 value only, here 3 numbers you have. So a square we can't do. that also a b we can't do. Here 2 only, here 3 values, so a b we can't do, so we can only do b squared and ba. So what is your answer? The second and fourth only we calculated this. In which statement are correct? So first option we do here, so first answer is right. Second answer bc we find out here, second answer also right. Third answer we can't addition here, so third we can't do, this is not correct. And fourth answer also different, so third and fourth not correct. So which are the correct? First one and second one only correct. So that's all.